What's up, guys? This account generates $43 today using a copying trading system on tag market using NEO.FX professional trader AI able to trade Euro USD only. All right, you can trade if you don't have time to trade on tag markets. All right, this video just based on educational content only, not for financial. So let's jump into the video. You can see I did not trade manually. I did not watch the charts. The AI trade for me why I'm sleeping. That is what this particular trader is using. It's using AI to trade and with proper risk management. All right, so you can see this, and I will show you what you need to do, the step you need to take before you can start copying this particular professional trader on tag market. But the first thing you need to do, is to register with XFusion. You can see, make sure you put your email address, your full details, and register. Inside this particular XFusion, you are going to link your tag market broker there. You are going to see a registration link there. Then you register, then you connect your account with the signal, with the AI provider. All right, when you just need to just link your tag market, all right, broker with the AI trading bot on XFusion. That is all what you need to do. Then I've already made a video step by step on how you can register and connect your account with XFusion. The video is down below this video. All right, or you can even join my Telegram to try to watch all the video, the step you need to take step by step. It's that simple and easy. All right, so once you connect your account together, then I now try to deposit money into my tag market, not the signal or the AI robot provider. You are not sending your money to any third party. Your money remains safe on your broker, which is tag markets. You are not sending your money to any single body, any single person. The money is controlled by you inside the tag market. It's that simple, which is a broker that you are trading with. All right, then the AI automatically trade for you. All right, then I woke up in the morning and I see this particular $43 made using this particular copy trading system on tag by call copy S. All right, then once you do that, just make sure to join my Telegram channel. All right, so that you can understand everything step by step. All right, so you are not sending any money to anybody. So let me show you step by step you need to take once you join my Telegram. The link is down below this video. Let me show you right now on my Telegram channel. So right now, once you join my Telegram channel, this particular Telegram channel, the first thing you need to do is to just make sure to, all right, you need to just make sure to register, all right, on this particular broker called Tag Markets. That is the first thing you need to do. Then you need to just watch the video on how you can, all right, you can create your own account. You can even watch the video what is tag market, and for you guys to understand what is the broker is doing. All right, you can watch this particular video first. Then after that, you need to just watch the video how you can link your account together, all right, with tag market. All right, then after that, you need to just learn and watch the video on how you can easily deposit money. All right, then you need to just make sure to watch the video on how you can copy what NEO.FX, the particular bot, the particular trader that do what, that trade for me today, that give me this $43 you are seeing on the screen. All right, so then the next step right now, if you want to copy an AI trading robot that is trading good as well, you can copy this particular guy called Sonic AI. All right, then you can even, if you want to withdraw your money, I've already made a video. You can also watch this particular video as well. All right, you can see. So, and this is what tag market is doing. If you have a smaller capital, they can give you more leverage to boost your capital, which is either 12x or 24x. So right now they are doing a promo, which means when you deposit any fund to the broker, all right, they are giving you this particular what 24x to 24x. So these are the sample you can see on my screen here. All right, when you fund, this is what you are going to receive. Let's say, like, to boost your capital, either you have $1,000, a what a $2,000, a $3,000. You can see the figure what you are going to receive once you do what once you deposit your first deposit. All right, but the promo is still running right now, which means you can still get the promo. So right now, and but at the end of the promo, they normally just give out what just 12x, all right, of your capital. One, that is just boost your to just boost your trading journey for you. That is what tag market is doing. It's that simple. Just follow the step and register. If you have any question, you can DM me on Telegram. My number is there. Everything is down below this video. Just make sure to message me. I'm here to answer all your questions. So guys, see you guys in my next coming video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.